Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have an AliExpress haul. Look how it came again. What are they doing with my packages? What the heck? I get packages from all over, and AliExpress are the only ones banged up. Take from that what you will. I have Daisy with me. She's still kind of dressed for St. Patrick's Day. We took her shopping with us, and the reason I took her shopping with us is I'm looking for some items for a diorama for my Blythe, as well as some fabric with small print. So I took her along to check sizes, and she's just really cute. Anyway, I'm hoping that there is some items in here for that diorama, and that's why I have Daisy here again. She's just cute. We're just trying stuff. Let's see what we got. Okay, two things in here. I'm betting this is shoes. I have some shoes that are supposed to be coming that have taken forever. Let's see. Yep. Okay. I buy these little Blythe boots. Many of you probably do too. And then I take a marker to them, and I've done green and blue and brown, and I usually buy the black, but I have done a pair of black out of these white. They're inexpensive and they're really cute. And my little Gothia's Goth boots, I took a small chain from a necklace and I laced her boots with it. So those are fun. They're cute right out of the box. Oh yeah, and I covered one with fabric for ice skates. Darren made blades for those. I really like those. I love skates for dolls. Okay, my ears are here. What doll is this for? It said Blythe. Holy smokes. This is as big as her head. I thought I had found something different for Blythe ears. I'm working on an elf.
Those are people.
Yeah, those are people. Okay, well, there you go. I doubt you'll see me in those, but you never know. But I did get a pair, and I'm not sure if these are the ones I'm using or not. I have two different kinds, but I like those. They're more of a Keebler elf, or like Dopey from the Seven Dwarfs.
Or a bat elf.
Or what?
A bat elf. Kind of look a little batish.
Yeah. All right. So I have some surprise. Could it be a Blythe doll? Actually, I did order some. Actually, I ordered some for gifts. Gifts? Who could they be for? Let's open this one first. And I also have the Mimi Bobek doll I want to turn into a chubby Blythe. And her head should be here. We'll see. Yeah, these are, one of these is for a gift. Probably, well, I guess I should open her and try the eyes. We'll do that in a minute. And this one has a purpose. She's going to get a face up. She has a different purpose. This is the little girl with braids. I absolutely love that doll. I have one I turned into a clown named Linger. And I have a spare because I thought, oh God, there's that doll, her face and her hair. You can just do so much with. You just incredible. Okay, all Blythes, but that one in particular. And this should be my icy face. I love her. Oh, I love her. And no, I am not going to do a Mimi Bobek face up on this Blythe. Heavens no. Heavens no. Oh gosh, she's really cute. Love it, love it, love it. I got a short-haired. I don't normally get short-haired dolls when I have the option for long, but I also can't cut hair very well, or I guess I haven't really tried, but actually I have, and it worked out okay. I just am always so nervous about ruining the doll. So she might need freckles though. she might need a little face up. I haven't decided, but here she is. My little Icy. Let's see about her eyes. All right. Oh, purple. Ooh, I kind of like that, but with different color hair. Pink and purple and orange. Well, you know which ones I'm going to choose. Well, that is really cute. So here's the body, and here's the head, and the color's not too bad. Nobody's face and body match. If you don't believe that, go to a mirror, take your makeup off, and hold your arms, look at your neck close to your face. But yeah, that's gonna work. So that will be a project coming up. Let's open these others. I am looking for some miniature stuff. There are a lot of YouTubers doing doll houses. I actually have a almost 50-year-old dollhouse. Gosh, seriously, it's like 48. That a boyfriend and I worked on. There used to be a miniature store in an old town. You know how they have those little shops? This had a miniature shop. It was the fudge shop, and in front they had, we always got a pound of that too, fresh made fudge, and in the back, it was the most incredible thing. I wish they were still there. It was a huge store, and it had everything, and it had like doll houses set up with the stuff inside, and then in front of it, it had like little bins, you know, like the whole thing was all divided up with little woods, and there was everything in it. Coolest, coolest, coolest. These are shoes that I want to try. I used to buy a bag of Blythe shoes, little black Mary Janes, for an inexpensive price, and they don't have them anymore, so I found these. These are about $1 a piece. They're cute. I like the other ones better. You could do more with it, but let's just see how cute they are on their little feet. Oh, they're harder to put on, but that means maybe they'll stay better. Yeah, they're cute. They're cute, and it's getting to be Easter, time for white shoes. You get 3 colors, black, red, and white. This isn't a commercial. I'm just telling you what's there. They need to pay me. And one more. Aw, so disappointed. I thought I had something different. Well, I do. All right. Okay, it came with foam. Oh, and it's another pair of shoes. I've bought these before. I like them. Like I said, I can't get those others, and at the astonishing speed that Blythe dolls come into our house, I need to have shoes. These are so cute. I really like these. Can you see the sparkle of these shoes? They are so cute. And they have these in black, and they have them in white, and they're really not expensive. They're just a little pair of shoes. These girls look good. Everything seems to be working right. They're just so cute. This is honestly one of my favorite Blythe dolls. Oh, they're so cute. Just so, so cute.
A little stiff.
Well, and you hear the squeak? I don't usually have that squeak. That's, And then the little blonde. I want to do a face up on this doll. She's so cute. Let's check her legs. Yep, seems right. Arms are not too loose. Good, good, good. Here we go. I like these. Brown-eyed blonde. Pink. I like the gray, though. The side glancing gray. And, of course, the blue. But how cute are those? Kind of that amber, not really orange, the more amber. Cute, cute, cute. Please like and subscribe and watch Daisy Go Shopping. That's the back. This would fit if her pigtails weren't up so high. And look at these. How cute would these be for a 1960s hippie? How cute is this for a diorama? I really like these. Really fun. And I got a little bird cage. How cute is that? And some feathers. We are at the Dollar Tree. Aren't these cute? I think I'm going to get these for my midi Blythe and see if they fit. They'll be really, really wide, but PJs.